Happy evening, dear students. Today we are going to see the concept of fractions. Fraction is nothing but part of a whole. So we have different types of fraction: proper fraction, improper fraction, unit fraction, mixed fraction, like and unlike fraction. Let's see the example. What is a proper fraction? When the numerator part is less than the denominator. These are called proper fraction. When we have numerator bigger than the denominator, that is improper fraction. And we have unit fraction. When the numerator is 1, when we termed it as saying it as unit fraction. When we have a whole number part and a fractional part, it is considered as mixed fraction. So like fraction, you can see that when you have all the denominators equal, then it is like fraction. So now we are going to see how an improper fraction can be converted into mixed fraction and how a mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction. Now let's see how to convert an improper fraction into mixed fraction. Now let's take an example, 10 by 3. Convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, 10 by 3. Now 10 is a numerator part and 3 is a denominator part. So first, this is a dividend and this is a divisor. So 10 has to be divided by 3. Now as we know division, 3 times 3 is 9. And we have a remainder 1. Now you are going to write this as a mixed fraction. So how to write it as a mixed fraction? Just remember, okay, I'll write here Q R by D. Q is the quotient, which is 3. R is the remainder, which is 1. And D is the divisor, which is 3. So this can be converted as 3 1 by 3. Okay, now you have got 10 by 3 as a mixed fraction, 3 1 by 3. Now this can also be converted back as 10 by 3. Let's see how to do that. Now look at the question. Convert mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now this is a mixed fraction you have got. This is the whole number part and this is an fractional part. So for a shortcut, let me tell you a shortcut. Just give a multiplication symbol here and plus symbol here. Okay, then 3 has to be multiplied by 3. 3 3s are 9. That has to be added with 1. So here comes your answer. 3 3s are 9 plus 1 all upon 3. So which is equal to 10 by 3. So now you have seen how a mixed fraction can be converted into improper fraction, and again improper fraction can also be converted into mixed fraction. Thank you.